Here we are. Oh no, son. Fish on. Yeah. Look at this bass, bro! First cast. There you are, man. You good, man.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is so badass.
Bam! Here we are. I'm about to roll out. Joe just called me. We got a break in the hurricane weather. I don't know. I was going to tidy up and tie down on the camper, but for this weekend to go fishing. Catch y'all at the water. Get my worm wet. Peace. Yeah, go down and get him. Go down and get him, Joe. Yeah, good size. Look at him.
Trophy, look at it.
Yeah.
This fish brought confidence back.
Wow, that's nice. I gotta take over your spot.
Yeah, these fishes are nice.
I told you they're healthy in here. They're all fat, plump.
I think it's that down there.
Where the little minnows just get, and they can't get to it until it floods. You know what I mean?
Damn, how the fuck?
Like that. Yeah. Fish on. Get your worm wet, boys. Get your freaking worm wet. Hooked myself, look. Nice. Yeah. But look at that, son. We on one. No skunk today. Get some kind of nice release, maybe. Gone. Oh, damn, he's nice. He swam a couple feet and then just relaxed, like chilling. Yeah, he run this. Probably not, because I think I would caught bigger. You caught that bigger one too, I believe. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, pretty good.
There's some good canals that we're from down north of here. We're just playing around.
Well, I can't tell you then.
Yeah.
Nah, actually, it's really good in here. I've caught, I mean, 1 and 2 pounders, nothing crazy. Another one.
Largemouth or peacock bass?
Largemouth. If you want the only peacock I found around here is if you go like straight down and there's a canal that runs basically for, I think it goes across too. It's literally just follow this road till, I guess till you can't go no more, right? That streets will just take you down. You have to like find a way through the woods, but that whole canal.
Just like soft plastic?
I use a, if I want to catch a peacock, I'm gonna use a crankbait because they want like a live minnow.
The other day, we shot crankbait, frogs, everything. And the only one that my little brother caught one on a live bloodworm. it.
I ain't never caught one on a worm or nothing
Yeah,
today.
not even jerking up
I
the
need
shit
it. Like
there.
every time I've caught them, they are aggressive. So I got it. Like I reel it faster than I normally reel.
We're trying to hope for like a topwater hit, but
It's-
we tried all
to
day.
tell you the truth, here I've caught 2 fish in 2 years of fishing on topwater. I don't even know if that's real down here. Like I don't know. At some places it does, but here I ain't got shit. I don't know. Like I've had people tell me like, yeah. I'm like, well, I just go with results. You know what I mean? Huh?
Y'all been looking at drainage canals or like lakes?
I do good with bass. Like, I ain't never caught no clownfish in these. I ain't never caught anything other than tilapia, them cichlids, and peacock bass and largemouth. But yeah, I hit all the canals. Really, if it's deep enough, I can throw. I'll sling it in there. I'm pushing up.
Yes, sir. You have a good day.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Hey, check me out. I'm on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, Wet Worm Adventures. Yeah. Yeah, Wet Worm Adventures.
I got you, brother.
No, yeah, that's me at the top.
All right, bro. You have
All
a
right,
good day.
yeah. It's a nice ass truck, boy. He said, we're from up north. We're trying to find some fish or something. I was like, oh, I can't tell you none then. He said, oh, yeah. I was like, yeah. Man, I'm out scouting. I found a heck of a freaking canal. It wasn't a hurricane winds, 50-mile-an-hour winds. I'd get out. Look at us. Bam, yo. About to get a worm wet. Right after the storm, everything's flooded out. I won't be too quiet to spook these fish. I'm pretty sure there's some right on the other side of this bank. I'll catch you on a first person view. Yeah. Fish on. Oh, a little peacock. Little guy, right? Peacock, sonny. Peacock. Yeah. Man, that's a beauty. I love this fish. Yeah, fish on. Battery's dead. Little bass. Wow. Well, we got a worm wet here at Wet Worm Adventures. You know, a whole nother scene. The hurricane weather did us in a little bit. It's all about the same. We did good. I caught my peacock bass. That's my favorite. Even though he's small, he's so beautiful. Anyway, Kim's going to the store. We're going to cook up some dinner. Call it evening. Stay on for next time. And don't forget, get your worm wet.